Plant FAQs. Platycerium Wandae. What is Platycerium Wandae? As a passionate plant enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for unique and captivating additions to my indoor jungle. That's how I stumbled upon the Platycerium Wandae, also known as the queen staghorn fern. This epiphytic fern, with its majestic, sprawling fronds, instantly stole my heart. But its beauty isn't the only thing that makes it special. The Platycerium Wandae boasts a fascinating form and specific care requirements that make it a truly rewarding challenge for any plant lover. In this article, I'll share my experiences with this magnificent fern, offering insights into its characteristics, care routine, and even how to mount it for a stunning display. Unveiling the queen. Characteristics of Platycerium Wandae. The Platycerium Wandae lives up to its regal title. It's the largest member of the staghorn fern family, boasting expansive, wavy fronds that can reach impressive sizes. These fronds are divided into two distinct types, sterile shield fronds and fertile fronds. The sterile shield fronds, with their upright and lobed form, create a basket-like structure that gathers water and organic matter, essential for the fern's growth. The fertile fronds, on the other hand, are responsible for spore production and are typically smaller and more divided. This unique structure, coupled with the fern's lush green color, creates a truly eye-catching specimen that adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. How to care for Platycerium Wandae. While the Platycerium Wandae is a captivating addition to any collection, its care requirements differ slightly from your typical houseplant. Here's what you need to know to keep your queen staghorn fern thriving. Light. Mimicking its rainforest origins, the Platycerium Wandae prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the fronds. A location near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering. Unlike soil-based plants, the Platycerium Wandae absorbs moisture through its aerial roots and shield fronds. Soak the fern thoroughly, including its roots and fronds, once a week, allowing it to dry completely between waterings. During hot or dry periods, you may need to increase the frequency of watering. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Platycerium Wandae thrives in high humidity levels, around 60 to 80%. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants, using a pebble tray, or investing in a humidifier can help maintain the desired moisture level. Fertilization. While not strictly necessary, a light monthly feeding with a diluted liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, can provide your queen staghorn fern with extra nutrients. How to mount a Platycerium Wandae. The Platycerium Wandae isn't a soil-based plant. In its natural habitat, it grows on trees or rocks. To replicate this in your home, you'll need to mount it on a suitable material. Popular options include cork mounts, driftwood, or even coconut husk. Here's a step-by-step guide on mounting your Platycerium Wandae. Gather your supplies. You'll need your chosen mounting material, sphagnum moss, soaked and squeezed to remove excess water, fishing line or wire, and a pair of sharp shears. Prepare the mount. If using a natural material like cork or driftwood, pre-soak it thoroughly to ensure it holds moisture. Position the fern. Carefully place the Platycerium Wandae on your chosen mount, ensuring the shield fronds lie flat against the surface. Secure the fern. Using the sphagnum moss, gently pack it around the base of the fern and its roots, covering any exposed areas. Secure the moss firmly with fishing line or wire, ensuring the fern is stable on the mount. Water thoroughly. Once mounted, soak the entire fern, including the moss, to ensure it's fully hydrated. Conclusion. A rewarding journey with the queen staghorn fern. The Platycerium Wandae might require a bit more TLC than your average houseplant, but the rewards are truly magnificent. Witnessing its majestic fronds unfurl and bask in its undeniable presence is a truly special experience. With proper care and a little patience, you too can cultivate a thriving queen staghorn fern that will add a touch of rainforest elegance to your indoor space. So, are you ready to embark on this rewarding journey and welcome the queen staghorn fern into your home?